Yo, it's Goody. It's your boy Pablo. It's your boy Brian right here. So basically, today's video is gonna be what's inside this. Brian, can you tell them what this is?
This would be a asthma inhaler.
Yeah. So we're gonna be checking out what's inside of it, and yeah, we're just basically gonna destroy it. So yeah, hey, make sure you like it up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah. So Brian's gonna destroy it, and we're gonna see what's inside it. So yeah, let's go. Go destroy it. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see what's inside of it. Alright, wait. We'll be back when we pick up all the pieces. Alright, boys. So this is basically all the pieces. This is like almost the main thing that you press. Like, I don't know if you can open this because it's like metal, so it'll take kind of long. So this is basically the inside of it. Come check it out. See, nothing special, but yeah. Alright, so I don't know. I don't know if we can try. Yeah, I don't know if we can open it. So try to. Alright, we're gonna try it real quick.
Right, it bent a little bit.
It bent a little bit. Oh, there it is.
Oh, what the?
There it is. It's coming out the air. Oh my god. I'm not sure where it opened up from. I don't know if there's juice in here. I don't know. Try to do it again. Alright, possibly we can get some air out, something out like that. I don't know.
So I ended up.
This is how I ended up. But yeah, that's basically the main thing. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like if you're new around here. But yeah.